We want some physics. Yeah, we want that physics, physics. We want some physics. Yeah, we want that physics, physics.
Hey physics fam and builders of a brighter tomorrow. Mr. Sandoval here, and I'm going to show you how to quickly make a graph in Google Sheets. First, select your data. If you're lucky and your columns are right next to each other, you can just click and drag and select that continuous block of data. If your data is separated, you can use the Shift and Control keys. Click the top of the first column you want to graph. Then hold Shift and click the bottom of the first column. Holding Shift selected all the data in between. Next, let go of Shift and hold Control and click the top of the second column. Hold Shift and Control and click the bottom of the second column. After you've selected your data, it's time to make a graph. On the top menu, select Insert and select Chart from the drop-down menu. In the chart editor on the right side of the screen, under Setup, click Chart Type and select Scatter Chart. Make sure that what you want to graph on that horizontal axis for your independent variable is correct. Here we're graphing x along the horizontal x-axis. Under Series, we check to make sure that what we want to graph on the vertical axis for our dependent variable is also correct. Here we're graphing g of x on the vertical axis for our series. And we can change what we're graphing by clicking on that g of x and changing it to another column or another series. After everything looks good, click Customize. Click Series to open the accordion menu that drops down and select Trendline near the bottom. Scroll down and in the Label drop-down menu select Use Equation. You should now see a line of best fit with an equation. In slope-intercept form, our line of best fit has the equation g of x is equal to 1 times x plus negative 1.03. So once again, those steps were: select your data and check to make sure everything is graphed on the correct axis. Looks good for x and f of x because we already have the other graph. So click Customize and click Series. Now we click Trendline and select Use Equation for the label. We see our line of best fit for the other set of data, and we see that it has the equation f of x is equal to 1.04 times x plus a negative 1.42. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to quickly get a graph in Google Sheets with an equation for the line of best fit. See you next time. Mr. Sandoval, out.